Stars are born inside enormous clouds of gas and dust, called nebulae, slowly gathering together over millions of years. Every star you see in the night sky is far, far away, yet their light still reaches you across the darkness. Stars shine because deep inside them, hydrogen is gently turning into helium, releasing soft, steady light. Our sun is considered a very calm and stable star compared to many others. The color of a star tells you its temperature. Red stars are cooler. Blue stars are hotter. Most stars in the universe come in pairs or groups, gently orbiting one another. When a star forms, it begins as a cold, invisible cloud, then slowly brightens over millions of years. The nearest star to Earth, after the Sun, is Proxima Centauri, still more than 4 light years away. Many of the stars you see tonight may no longer exist, but their light continues traveling through space. Stars twinkle because their light passes through the moving layers of Earth's atmosphere. A star spends most of its life in a peaceful, balanced state called the main sequence. The largest known stars could fit millions of suns inside them. The smallest stars, called red dwarfs, burn softly and very slowly, living trillions of years. When stars die, they leave behind beautiful clouds called planetary nebulae. Some dying stars collapse into tiny, incredibly dense objects called white dwarfs. Massive stars end their life in a gentle collapse, or a powerful supernova. Even though stars seem eternal, each one has a beginning and an end. The night sky contains more stars than all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Many stars have planets, belts of dust, and entire systems orbiting them. When you look up at starlight, you're looking back in time. Planets form from the leftover dust of a new star, slowly gathering into spheres. Our solar system has 8 planets, each with its own personality and rhythm. Mercury is closest to the Sun, but not the hottest. Venus is covered in thick clouds, reflecting sunlight like a calm, bright mirror. Earth is the only known planet with liquid oceans, making it uniquely alive. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, now silent and ancient. Jupiter is so large, it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside. Saturn's rings are made of ice and dust, floating gently around the planet. Uranus spins on its side, as if lying down in space. Neptune has the strongest winds ever recorded, deep in its blue atmosphere. There may be a hidden 9th planet far beyond Neptune, still undiscovered. Many planets in the universe are super-Earths, larger but calm and rocky. Some planets are made almost entirely of gas, with no solid surface. Others may be covered in endless oceans, deeper than anything on Earth. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Jupiter and Saturn gently glow with their own faint internal heat. Mars has seasons. Just like Earth, Uranus and Neptune likely have quiet, icy cores. Every planet has its own sound, created by magnetic waves. There may be billions of planets in our galaxy alone. A galaxy is a vast island of stars, drifting through the universe. Our home galaxy is the Milky Way, a calm spiral of light. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. It also holds countless planets, nebulae, and quiet clouds of gas. Our galaxy is slowly moving through space, gently orbiting the center of gravity. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. At its center lies a supermassive black hole, silently shaping the galaxy. Galaxies can be spiral, elliptical, or irregular, each with its own shape. Spiral galaxies are the most graceful, with soft, winding arms. The Andromeda Galaxy is slowly drifting toward us. At a peaceful pace, one day the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge, forming a new galaxy. Galaxies often come together in large groups called clusters. Even larger structures, called superclusters, contain thousands of galaxies. Most of the universe is empty space, quiet and vast. Some galaxies are calm. Others are extremely active and bright. Dwarf galaxies are small, delicate collections of stars. Giant elliptical galaxies can be enormous. Smooth ovals of starlight. Some galaxies have rings, just like planets. Light from distant galaxies travels for billions of years to reach us. When we observe galaxies, we see ancient light from long ago. A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust, glowing softly in space. Some nebulae are star nurseries, warm and gentle. A supernova is the bright end of a massive star's life. But many stars die quietly, becoming white dwarfs. Black holes form when massive stars collapse into a tiny point. Not all black holes are dangerous. Most float silently in space. A quasar is a brilliant, distant object, shining with ancient light. Cosmic dust is incredibly fine, smaller than smoke particles. Dark matter may hold galaxies together. Though we can't see it, dark energy is slowly stretching the universe. Solar winds flow gently from the sun, influencing planets. Gamma-ray bursts are the brightest explosions known, but brief. Magnetars are stars with extremely strong magnetic fields. Pulsars spin rapidly, sending steady, rhythmic signals. Comets are icy travelers, leaving glowing tails behind. Asteroids are ancient leftovers from the solar system's formation. Cosmic rays pass through our bodies every day, harmlessly. The universe contains enormous voids, nearly empty. Space has no sound, only silence. Yet the universe is always moving, always changing. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Space itself is expanding, gently and continuously. Galaxies drift apart over time. Light from the early universe still reaches us today. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across. But the real universe may be far larger, perhaps infinite. Time behaves differently near strong gravity. Space is mostly empty, yet full of invisible energy. There are likely more planets than stars. Some stars are older than our galaxy. The universe once fit into a space smaller than an atom. Everything we see today grew from that tiny beginning. Many scientists believe the universe will keep expanding forever. Galaxies will grow more isolated over trillions of years. Stars will slowly fade, leaving quiet darkness. Black holes will eventually evaporate. Even atoms may decay far in the future. The universe will become cold, peaceful, silent. Yet right now, it is full of light, motion, and wonder. And as you fall asleep, you are part of this vast, gentle universe.